Hello everyone, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and this video I will show you how to download and install the PowerVPN to your Android TV without downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to download the PowerVPN to your Android TV without downloader, the application you should use is this one called APK Time. Now, you might be wondering, how do you install APK Time to your Android TV without using downloader? In the description of this video, there is a link I have added. Please watch that video. It's going to guide you on how to install APK Time to your Android TV without downloader. So after installing APK Time, just go ahead and launch it. Once you launch it, there are lots of categories. Covers the option that says free VPN, and in that option you are going to see the Power VPN over here. Here's the download button. Just click on it, and then once you're done downloading, you can go ahead and install the application. So this is how to download and install the Power VPN to your Android TV without the download application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.